Hey y'all, welcome to the video. Today we're going to do a deep interior clean on this work truck behind me, which actually is, if you guys notice that logo there, it's actually my truck. I bought this truck about a month ago from a used car dealership. Haven't had the time to detail it because it's been wintertime here, but you can see the sun is out. It's about 40 degrees out, so I figured might as well grab the video camera here and go ahead and clean up the interior of this truck. Let's go ahead and get a walk around on this. Alright, so the background on this truck is I bought it used and it sat for a while from the previous owner until this used car dealership that I bought it from bought it. And as you can tell from all the dog hair and just built up dirt and grime just all over. And all this white stuff you see here is baking soda. But even still, you can see all this just built up dog hair. Just that's my main goal today is just to get all this dog hair. And then up here, more just a lot of grime and stuff I'm trying to get cleaned out. These vents. Walk around to the other side here. Door panels aren't too bad, but you can see all this buildup that's all in the door here. And the main thing's been bothering me the most is this steering wheel. As you can see, that's not wear, that is just caked on dirt. Here you can actually see a clean spot where I did some testing to see if it would come clean. And then again, there's just more dirt, grime built up into all the different cracks and crevices. Alright, so the first way is going to be the easiest way you could possibly do it. And all we're simply going to do is remove all the stuff out of the vehicle. That includes your sports bags from the gym, any food wrappers, anything like that, because those things can hold on to odors and then they stay in the vehicle. So once you remove those, you no longer have the odors coming from that. You just have just the odors that are coming from your vehicle's carpets and air vents and stuff like that. Alright, so next what we're going to go ahead and do is sprinkle in some baking soda. What I'm going to use here is a carpet specific baking soda to help remove pet odors and stuff. But you can use regular baking soda. And with this step you can do this as a different step, a different method, or you can do this in combination with removing all the other stuff. And that's the same for all these steps I'm going to show you, is you can combine all of them together, or you can do one method and not do the other, or just however you want to do it. So we're going to go ahead and sprinkle this stuff on here. We're going to let it sit up. Preferably you'd want to do it overnight, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to sprinkle it, go and do some other detailing stuff to this vehicle, come back and vacuum it up, and that's really going to help remove a lot of the odors. Alright, so next step you want to do, if you do have a cabin air filter in your vehicle, look in your owner manual and you want to remove that. Now once you remove it, you can move on to this next step I'm going to show you. Alright, so once you sprayed all the vent cleaner and all your intake vents and all your vents facing your face up in the vehicle, what you're going to do now is hop in your vehicle, all the windows up, all the doors closed, turn the vehicle on and turn the AC on and turn it to your face and let it run for 5 to 10 minutes. Alright, so after 10 minutes of running with the AC on, what we're going to do is turn the AC off, but still keep the fan on full blast. Roll down all the windows so it can draw in fresh air, and we're going to go ahead and get on that now. Alright, and after you turn off your AC and roll down your windows, what we're going to go ahead and do is let it sit for another 10 minutes again. Go ahead and let it air out. Alright, so the final step now is we're going to go ahead and vacuum up all the baking soda. And if you guys want an additional step you guys could do on top of this is detail the vehicle yourself or send it to a professional to clean it. That'll help remove all the stains, that'll help remove all the embedded smells in the carpet from food and stuff like that. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and get on to cleaning the seats and the carpets. You'll see basically the same method as I use for customer car seating. This is my personal vehicle. I'm using different little tools and products here and there, and mostly because it does have a lingering smell from it sitting so long. What I'm gonna use some other products to help remove that smell even more. So we're gonna go ahead, get on that, pull out the steamer, pull out all the products, go ahead and get started.